Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series, where innovation meets execution. In this case, we explore Verve Motion, a company at the forefront of wearable robotics in warehouse operations. Verve's powered exosuits are redefining the future of manual labor. By significantly reducing physical strain, these suits enable warehouse workers to lift more, move faster, and reduce the risk of injury. This isn't just about technology, it's about transforming the workplace. With a focus on worker well-being, operational efficiency, and sustainable workforce empowerment, Verve Motion is paving the way for the next generation of industrial performance. The SafeLift suit is a lightweight, wearable exosuit designed to reduce lifting strain by up to 40%. It tracks posture and movement in real time, requiring minimal training for adoption. Its non-intrusive design resembles a backpack, offering ergonomic support and data collection capabilities, representing a breakthrough in human augmentation for industrial applications. The SafeLift suit is a lightweight wearable exosuit designed to reduce lifting strain by up to 40%. It tracks posture and movement in real time, requiring minimal training for adoption. Its non-intrusive design resembles a backpack, offering ergonomic support while collecting valuable data for industrial applications. The SafeLift exosuit is donned like a backpack, requiring minimal adjustment. Smart sensors activate to monitor body position and lifting movements in real time. Upon detecting lifting, the suit reduces back strain by up to 40%. It continuously collects data on usage patterns, ergonomic risks, and performance metrics, enhancing both safety and efficiency. PepsiCo Beverages. North America faces significant challenges with high-intensity physical labor. Employees lift heavy cases up to 16 kilograms during long shifts, increasing injury risk. Back injuries represent 38% of warehouse injuries, contributing to high turnover and escalating costs. Addressing these issues is crucial for improving workforce retention and reducing financial burdens. Musculoskeletal disorders, particularly back injuries, are prevalent, leading to significant downtime with an average of 12 days of absence per injury. This results in scheduling challenges and increased overtime costs. The physical demands contribute to a 37% annual turnover rate, while workers' compensation claims for serious back injuries average Rs 8.5 lakh, escalating operational expenses. SafeLift's data capabilities enhance operational efficiency. Posture analysis identifies risky lifting behaviors, allowing for immediate intervention. Workflow intelligence uncovers bottlenecks, optimizing processes. Productivity metrics link performance gains to exosuit use, quantifying return on investment. Predictive analytics forecast injury risks, enabling preventative measures and personalized guidance. SafeLift turns daily movements into actionable insights, revolutionizing workplace safety and efficiency. The SafeLift implementation offers a strong financial case for PepsiCo, with an estimated return on investment period of just 11 months. This rapid return highlights the cost-effectiveness of investing in worker welfare, aligning financial benefits with enhanced safety and operational efficiency. SafeLift enhances employee well-being by prioritizing health and safety, boosting morale and trust. It strengthens PepsiCo's employer branding as an innovative leader in workforce development. Operational insights offer visibility into workflows, enabling continuous improvement. Additionally, it aligns with environmental, social, and governance goals by improving workplace conditions, supporting social responsibility initiatives. Key stakeholders include the Verve Motion team, with Vice Presidents Beth Schaefer and Ilya Mirman, alongside technical implementation specialists. From PepsiCo, decision-makers involve operations directors, warehouse management, health and safety officers, and financial controllers. Their collaboration is crucial for aligning operational goals and ensuring successful integration of new technologies. User adoption is crucial, especially with veteran staff resistant to change. Integrating new technology must be seamless to avoid operational disruptions. A strategic scaling approach is essential for effective rollout across distribution centers. Robust data management protocols are needed to handle and utilize the influx of new data streams efficiently. Rethinking digital transformation involves wearable technology that enhances worker capabilities, representing a new frontier in operational transformation. This approach challenges the traditional focus on software and dashboards, suggesting that human-centered technologies can deliver greater value than automation alone. Such innovations complement existing systems, offering a more holistic enhancement of operational efficiency. Human-centered technology enhances capabilities, not replaces them. Instrumented physical operations yield valuable digital insights. Holistic return on investment includes employee retention and wellness beyond cost savings. Cross-functional solutions bridging operations, human resources, and analytics create multiplier effects, driving comprehensive value. Wearable technology empowers employees by enhancing safety and maintaining human judgment in demanding roles. Data-driven operations leverage physical workflows to generate insights for continuous improvement. The economic benefits are compelling, extending beyond safety to include productivity, retention, and operational excellence, creating a robust business case for technology integration. Explore how Skilled MBA's Operations Case Study Series offers insights into global operations management challenges and innovations. Access case studies, workshops, and resources to enhance your understanding. Thank you for engaging with this case study from Skilled MBA. Email support@skilledmba.com. WhatsApp and call 91 87553 Explore more www.skilledmba.com. Location Modi Nagar, National Capital Region, India.